Hello, I'm Kevin from PowerA, and today we're introducing the OPS V1 wireless controller for PC and cloud gaming. The introduction of the OPS PC controller assortment is our way of intentionally developing controllers that optimize your PC gaming experience. The OPS V1 wireless controller is not only loaded with features that enhance your gameplay, but this controller supports multiple ways to play through your PC, cloud TV, Android, and tablet. Now, this controller comes with a number of enhancements and features that are both highly requested and advanced, so let's get into it. We're happy to announce that the OPS V1 comes with Hall effect sticks and triggers. Hall effect sensors are great for ensuring precise inputs and improved reliability. Whatever depth you select for your pulls, you'll be playing with two highly precise magnetic triggers using the latest in controller technology. Truly, the feedback and the feel on these triggers is spectacular. Now, the OPS V1 also features trigger locks with 3 different distance settings for each side. This feature lets you change your trigger pull distance so that your response time is faster with less distance traveled. You can toggle between these distance settings by flicking this switch. T3 simulates the natural trigger pull distance on most modern controllers. T2, the middle setting on the trigger locks, has a slightly shorter pull distance, great for giving yourself a slight edge when milliseconds matter. T1, the shortest trigger lock distance, is great for games where fine control is required, like navigating a tight curve in a racing game. The next feature I want to highlight are the advanced gaming buttons, or AGBs. As you can see here, you have 4 buttons that you can map for your ideal gaming preferences. This feature is for all the PC gamers who enjoy programming on the fly, mid-game, and enjoy competitive play. They're super easy to program, and you can do it mid-game with no need for an app. These AGBs are programmed easily by pressing and holding the program button for 3 seconds until you see the indicator light begin flashing slowly. Once you see that, press the button that you want to map and the light will begin flashing rapidly. Finally, press the AGB that you want to program and you're off to the firefight on the battlefield of your choosing. You can set the turbo feature to the face buttons and bumpers to achieve incredible speed during gameplay. All you need to do is press and hold one of the face buttons or bumpers that you wish to set turbo, and while holding that button, press the turbo button. The program status LED will flash 3 times to indicate that it's been set and you're ready to dominate. If you want to turn turbo off, just press the turbo button again while holding the button you wish to toggle turbo off on. And finally, no modern controller for PC is complete without a rumble feature. The OPS V1 features dual rumble motors to ensure you feel every turn on the track, every ounce of recoil, and all the bone-crushing hits in every game. And while we're on the topic of thumbsticks, check out these removable analog caps. These non-slip caps provide thumbstick control options and additional height to suit your gaming preference. They're also super easy to put on and take off. It's also important to note the textured grips of the OPS V1 controller. Comfort of a controller can really impact the longevity of your gameplay. The texture of the grips, combined with engineered ergonomics, were designed to maintain your comfort throughout your gaming sessions. The controller is designed for your PC and cloud gaming needs, and I want to explain how you can connect to your preferred device. There are 3 different modes of connectivity. You have USB-C wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz options for connectivity. The first and simplest connectivity option is the wired mode. In your box, there's an included USB-C cable, and you will use that to connect your controller to your USB port on your PC. Once that's plugged in, the bottom of the controller here, there's a switch that indicates RF, BT, and USB. You'll switch it to USB. Now, if you appreciate a wireless experience, let's explore Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz connectivity. For 2.4 GHz mode, there's an included dongle that will be inserted into the USB port of your PC. After you have that plugged in, grab your controller and select RF from the bottom switch. Once RF is selected, hold the sync button at the top here for 3 seconds to enter pairing mode. Once you've selected the device on your PC, the LED indicator should turn white to showcase it has been successfully paired. For Bluetooth, you would follow the same process. You would flip the switch here to BT and then sync your controller. Now, as a gamer myself, one thing that I value is uninterrupted gameplay. And this 550 mAh rechargeable battery on the OPS V1 controller does a great job maintaining that. The rechargeable battery can get you up to 20 hours of gameplay after a 3 to 4 hour wired charge with the included USB-C cable. If you happen to need even more customization options, the PowerA Gamer HQ app is also available on the Windows Store to give you even more ways to make your OPS controller the overpowered device that it was designed to be. The OPS V1 wireless controller for PC and cloud gaming is our first PC-focused controller, and we have poured our passion for gaming into every facet of its design. For more product information or to find out where you can purchase one, visit PowerA.com, and don't forget to follow PowerA on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitch.